Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DappRadar to track your DeFi portfolio, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with DappRadar, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the DappRadar website. Once the website loads, look for the portfolio section on the homepage. Click on the portfolio tab to enter the tracking feature. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Look for the sign up button and click it. Fill in the required fields with your email and create a password. After completing the form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link to verify your account. Return to the DappRadar website and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. Choose your preferred wallet from the options available. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your wallet. This may involve authorizing the connection through your wallet app. Once your wallet is connected, you'll see your asset balances. Now, you can manually add any additional DeFi tokens you hold. Click on the Add Token button and search for the token name. Select the token from the list and confirm the addition. Continue adding any other tokens to your portfolio using the same method. Your portfolio will now start to populate with the assets you've just added. To track your portfolio performance, navigate to the Dashboard section. Here, you can view real-time changes in your asset values. Explore the various charts and graphs to analyze your investments. If you want to set notifications, go to the Settings icon. Look for the Notifications tab and configure alerts to your preference. You can choose notifications for price changes or other updates. Finally, explore the features DappRadar offers to enhance your tracking experience. You are now set to effectively track your DeFi portfolio using DappRadar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.